Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called Foap, okay? And Foap is basically a photography app where you can make money by selling your own photos, which is pretty cool. So let's take a look at whether you can really make money as a side hustle this way through Foap. How much can you really make? Can you really sell those pictures, right? And is this really worth your time? Okay. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, minimum 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email if you would like to check that out. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different make money online apps and business models and systems and things like that. And Foap is a pretty cool way to make some side income, right? And this is for people that like to take pictures, so you don't have to be a professional, right? That's the thing that you need to understand, which is very cool about this app. You can be literally anyone with a phone, an iPhone, an Android, a Samsung, whatever it is. As long as you take decent photos, you can potentially make money selling your photos on this app. Now, how does this actually work? How much can you earn? And is it worth your time? That's a big question we're gonna answer at the end of this video, okay? So the way it works is you can download the app pretty much from anywhere, okay? So it's the Android or iOS device which it handles. This is global, which is cool. So again, Google Play or Apple Store, where you can download this app. And then it's very, very simple. The way it works is, it kind of looks like this right here, okay? And there are two ways that you can make money mainly on this particular app. The first way is to look after, things called missions, okay? Now, a mission is basically when a client, not you, but a client has something that they're trying to do and they want to pay people to take part in this particular mission. And they want to get as many entries as possible. Okay, so for example, this particular client here wants to have the best photos of May, right? And they have very specific requirement that they want. There's a specific reward, and the rewards are pretty decent usually. They're usually in the hundreds, like $300 reward, for example. This one has a $2,000 reward. This one here has these still need to be updated, but usually they're in the hundreds, $300, $400, $500 rewards. But you have to understand that with a mission, there will be a lot of people taking part in the mission, and out of everyone taking part, usually the client will pick one or a couple of people to win the reward and share that reward. Okay, so potentially you could win with this particular one $300. All right, but which is very cool, right? Anyone can take part. You can be a beginner, and you basically have to submit photos based around the brief of that particular mission, right? But the thing is that there are a lot of people that take part, and the chances that you'll win is quite slim. Okay, because think about this, right? This particular video, so they do videos and images, right? This particular video mission has 2,088 people that have put in their videos. Right now, the reward is $2,000, which might be split amongst a few winners, but that's a lot of videos that you have to compete with, right? So the chances that you're gonna win this mission is actually really, really slim. Even if you're a very good videographer, these guys have to go through over 2,000 people that have put in their missions. That's pretty crazy, okay? This one so far has 99, and this one right here has 9,841 photos that you have to go against. So can you win missions? You can, but the chances of winning them are very, very slim. All right, so that's one way that you can make money from Foap. Another way is that you can actually just go onto your actual profile here and upload lots of nice photos onto your profile. So they can be on anything you want. They don't have to be about a specific topic, a specific mission. They just need to be really nice photos, and you post it onto your specific profile. And what will happen is if people come across your, actually they do videos as well, like I mentioned earlier, right? So if they come across your photos or videos that they like, people can purchase them directly from your profile, and they cost up to $10 per photo, and you'll split it 50-50 with the Foap app. All right, so that means you make $5 per photo that you sell. Now, this is good and bad because it's great that you can do that. You can be a rookie, you can be a newbie, you can upload lots of nice photos, but the chances that someone is going to come across your profile and go through your photo and then purchase it's quite slim, right? Because you can, if you think about it, there are hundreds of thousands of creators on the Foap app, right? So there are lots of people with profiles, there's lots of photos. If you're lucky and you do a good job, so it's a combination of two things, right? You got to be a little bit lucky, and you also have to take good photos and good videos. And if they come together and they find your profile and they like your photos, people can buy them directly, and you'll make $5 per photo per video that you sell directly on the app. All right, so it is legit, it's real. But the chances that you'll be able to do that are, you know, it really depends on your luck, because there's so many users on Foap, right? So let's talk about the pros and cons of this particular app. Now, can you make money from Foap? You can. All right, two ways: taking part in missions where you have to be proactive, and then you can upload them directly on your profile, which is more kind of like a, you know, a not so proactive approach, right? People find your stuff, if they like it, they can buy or not, right? Now, the big question is how much money can you make with this app? Now, the benefit is that Foap is legit, and you can really make money as a beginner. You don't need any skills. You don't need to be a professional photographer, and you can start making money by selling your photos and videos on the app. But how much money can you really make? Well, the thing is, the missions are very difficult to win just because of the amount of participants that are taking part in the missions, okay? So in order to win $300, $400, $500, pretty slim. I think that you have to be very good at what you do, pretty lucky as well, and then you might be able to win it. But I would take part in as many missions as you can. And then also, you can upload a lot of photos to your profile, and if you're lucky, and people like them, you might be able to make a little bit of money there, all right? So it requires a couple of things here. You need to be a little bit lucky, and at the same time, you need to hustle on the app, upload tons of photos, take part in all the missions, and upload as many submissions as you can. And maybe you'll be able to win a couple of missions, and maybe people will buy some of your photographs. Or maybe you're not even going to do any of that. You might not be able to win a mission, or no one will buy any of your photos from your profile. It really just depends on how good you are and how lucky you are, right? So you could make a little bit of money from Foap, or you might make zero money. But I think that, you know, this is a cool way to start making a little bit of side income, but just a little bit. You know, you're not going to make that much money unless you're really, really good at what you do. I don't think that this can ever become like a full-time hustle, unless you're like a professional photographer. Unfortunately, if you're a rookie, if you're brand new, this might not be a great way to make full-time income. But could you make a little bit of money? Yeah, probably. If you're a little bit lucky and you're pretty talented, you could make a little bit of money by selling your photos here. Okay, so that's my review of Foap. You can check it out right here at foap.com. You can download it at the App Store or the Google Play Store and enjoy it, sell your photos, and have a good time, okay? But if you're here watching this video right now and you're thinking, well, Aaron, I would like to, you know, sell some of my photos and make a little bit of money, but I want something where, you know, I'm a little bit more guaranteed to make bigger money, right? Because this is really kind of, you know, it's quite risky, to be honest. You might make a tiny little bit, but you might make no money at all, right? If you want to learn a skill set and you're spending time online anyway, you know, 1, 2, 3 hours a day online, and you want to make sure that you're making big money, big commissions online. Since we live in the new age, you may as well leverage technology and the internet, right? My favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 minimum per month is a very particular strategy. I've been marketing online for over 14 years. I've seen all sorts of different ways to make money online. And out of all of them, I've got one strategy which I still think is my favorite. And I think that a lot of people can leverage this strategy because it's the most straightforward. It's got big profits. You don't have to handle customer service. You don't have to look for products or anything like that. And if you would like to get access to that strategy, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that for free straight to your email, and you can check it out if you want. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review today, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.